Salisbury with Southern Motor Company. We are pleased to present this 1976 Jeep CJ7. It's powered by a V8, 304 cubic inch. It's the 2-barrel carburetor with a 3-speed manual transmission. In a few moments, you will see Chad Dobier do a complete walk around. I think shortly I'm gonna actually test drive it. You got the GoPros on here. It's a nice evening to go for a cruise. Please stay with us.
All right, everybody, you just got done meeting Chris. We're getting ready to go out on a test drive with him in the CJ7. Now, this is a 76 Jeep Wrangler. Oh man, I'm telling you, it's really special. Right. Now, Chris, how comfortable are the seats?
All right, the seats are kind of funny looking.
Right.
I didn't put them in here. They were here when we got the truck.
Yeah.
They cradle you. They're kind of like, look like car seats for kids.
Right.
So.
But I'm actually pretty comfortable in here, and we're both me and Chris are about 6 foot, 6'1". I weigh 215. He's probably around the same, and I mean, honestly, we're both pretty comfortable in here. I mean,
yeah, I'm actually answering a phone call.
There you go.
Hello.
The seats hold you in really nicely, and I love the.
Chad and I are filming.
I love the seat belts. The other cool thing about it too is the back seat. You can get your kids back there, strap them in as well, or whoever, you know. So the vehicle's not overly loud or anything like that. It does have, the exhaust comes out on the side.
As it's supposed to.
Right.
Remember a few years ago I had a Collins Brothers built, God, I think it's an 84, 85, it's a 6-cylinder.
Yeah.
And it's actually on our website, like not our website, but our Google photos and stuff. Like when it was being shipped to the new customer, I think he was in Wyoming or Colorado. Or somewhere. Anyways, a fellow who works at UPS shows up in a copper-colored one, and ours was white. And his scheme was the complete opposite of ours. We had copper graphics on a white truck, and he had a copper truck with white graphics. But he had the V8. He had this motor. It might have been a 4-speed. But so he had that truck, and we were talking, and he cranked up the leave, and I kind of looked at him. He was like, "Yeah, I have a V8," and I was like, "Oh wow!" And he says, "My exhaust is on both sides." And, so I don't think that the V8s. I'm pretty sure the 6-cylinder is a single exhaust. So I might be wrong. You know, but yes, this is correct for it to be an exhaust on both sides. And they're standard, just everyday mufflers. They're not terribly loud.
Right.
You could probably make them louder if you wanted to.
Shifting good, clutch feels good. Drivability's nice.
The steering has a little bit of play, just a little bit.
Right.
But I've only driven it 3 times and I'm comfortable. So I just really might know that. And if it's like a traditional older vehicle, you might have a little bit of adjustment on the steering box in there. I just haven't looked into it. Something worth noting. All the blinkers work. Here, come on, that's double.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, blinkers work on both sides.
Okay,
High beams, headlights. Everything works as it should. Now that display has to be newer, because this display has to be a little newer. Or at least the lenses, or the
little blinker lights in there.
Yeah, the little light goes through and it shines through to these. This is what you see. Because those are really clear. I mean, they might be original, but they're just really clear. And it might have this kind of mileage, and it's correct and true. and it's been sitting in a garage. You know, I'm not trying to assume, I'm just trying to tell everybody what we know.
Right.
There's so many folks that'll sell something, or they'll purchase something sight unseen, or they just got a basic little video or whatever. And all kind of stuff is out of whack, and you got a pissed off customer when that car arrives to them.
Right.
You know, we sell so many vehicles to people sight unseen, and I'm proud of the videos we do. I'm proud of the extra pictures we take. I'm proud to show them things that are missing.
Right.
You know, or what, you know, the good and the bad. So they're not surprised when the vehicle arrives. We've been driving now for what, 20
minutes, yeah?
25 minutes, ain't turned it off. Temperature gauge is just under half. Fuel's still working, of course.
Right.
About 14 volts. It's actually reading a little bit high. Probably, and the gauge might be off of here as well.
Yeah.
Which you're with.
Yep, your oil
pressure.
That's
it
right.
might be a little on the low side based on the gauge.
Yep, temp is looking good.
But it moves when you go, so
Right.
probably not too far off. Folks, this truck it's always cranked. It's never hesitated. I mean, heck, we're at Mark Circle right now. I'm gonna turn it off.
Right back up and running. Well, these are racing seats. I mean, in reality, right? Like a bucket style racing seat to hold you in.
I guess. How many race Jeeps you know about?
Right, but when you go off-roading in it and the Jeep's going a little sideways here and there,
You're in place.
that's what I'm saying. You can kind of go up the hill and not have to worry about falling out of the Jeep. That's what they're there for, yeah. Yeah, and the suspension, everything does
We're
what it
okay,
should.
folks. We're all right. Don't mind us. If this thing wasn't for sale, I would probably drive it for a while. It's that comfortable.
You just can't miss the blue Jeep coming down the neighborhood.
Now I did a little touch up today.
Yeah.
Okay, we had a little nick here or there. Nothing bad, just a little, you know. But this is really close to a current, like, newer Jeep color.
Yeah.
I have a neighbor down the road from us. I don't know him, but I used to happen to see the Jeep in front of their house. And I was like, oh, that's the blue, kind of like ours. I don't know the exact color, but it's almost like a grabber blue.
Okay.
Forward, but it's a different shade.
All right, guys, we're back at the Southern Motor Company. As you can see, we got a great selection of all types of inventory.
We're fortunate. We have strong inventory right now.
We really do.
I was
yeah.
also gone from the house for, I think I was home last month, maybe 7 days of the month.
Yeah.
Car here, car there, auctions, individuals, a lot of networking. So we're not short on vehicles. We're very blessed to have what we have right now. But anyways, we're gonna jump out.
Yeah.
Do your basic walk around, I think.
That's right.
And
Yeah.
I'm gonna do a body test, checking, making sure there's no body filler, showing folks this is an actual metal Jeep, not a fiberglass case or shell. I think they're called a tub.
Right.
Not a fiberglass tub. We're gonna check for any body, any body filler or anything such as that, and make sure you show them all the imperfections.
That's right.
Because this isn't gonna be cheap. It's not terribly expensive, but I'm not giving my Jeep away. Someone took the time, and I paid strong money just to have it. So,
Yeah, let's show them at the outside so they know exactly what they're getting.
You ain't got the motor yet.
No, we haven't.
let's do
I
that
think
now.
let's do that now.
Let's do
yeah.
that now.
All right, everybody. Chris is going to show us the engine and also go around the vehicle and show you that the car hasn't had any body work done on it or anything like that.